Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for July 6th to 20th. We have some changes coming again. It's still very warm and humid here across the east, especially hot across the southern states, especially southern plains, parts of the Gulf Coast. But we'll have some changes coming. Now, this is for the period for July 6th to the 10th. And we're forecasting above normal heights here across eastern and western and eastern Canada. We have a trough here over central Canada that extends southward. Here we have a ridge. I thought I kicked something. Here we have a ridge across the southern states. And this ridge here across the southern states will strengthen as we go through time. Now we're looking at the GFS. Then we're looking at the European, the GFS ensembles, the European, and it shows like there's one of the models I saw that it strengthens to 594 DM, but it strengthens in time and continue to keep the warm temperatures across southern states. Now we have at the surface, and I lost the maps again. Okay, we'll just go with the GFS if we can. Okay, we have northern stream energy that'll push a cold front southward. You can see it right here. And then it moves into the east. And this will cause showers and thunderstorms. Some of the storms could be severe, along with locally heavy rainfall. Then we have another front, you can see it up here, that would dive southeast and across the states over the weekend, interact with upper level energy. And a weak trough with one or more embedded upper lows will evolve into the west coast later this week and into the weekend. And it looks like most of the activity will be situated across the northwest. Now, the ridge over the southern plains will cause extreme heat for South Texas and the southern and eastern Texas. And the heat would be less extreme across the remainder of Texas and the Gulf Coast region, so that'll lessen there. Okay, this is for the period for July 11th to the 15th. And here's, you see it strength 594 DM. And we have this trough that extends further, sinks to the south and east. Otherwise, the flow remains the same above normal heights here and here. So for this forecast period, I am calling for above normal temperatures here. And I'm calling for anomalies. Could be as high as 12 degrees, at least, across in some locations, especially across the southern plains. Below normal temperatures are forecast here, with anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees below normal. For precipitation, below normal precipitation forecast here. Probability of occurrence is 35%. Above normal precipitation is forecast here. Probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%. And now we're going to look at the period for July 16th to 20th. And the trough extends further to the south and east. And we have a ridge here, still have a strong ridge here across the southwest. And we have above normal heights here across Canada. So the change in temperature anomalies from the previous period is to extend the area 2 to 4 degrees below normal across the northern mid-Atlantic and the northeast. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence is near 40%. And we have above normal precipitation for much of this region. Probability of occurrence is near 40%. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for July 6th to 20th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.